Are you feeling tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe you've been noticing more aches and pains than usual. It could be more than just the daily grind. You might be one of the millions of people worldwide who are low in vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. And here's a surprising fact. It's estimated that a staggering 1 billion people globally have a vitamin D deficiency. That's a huge number, and many don't even know it. So, how can you tell if you might be one of them? Let's dive into some of the most common signs that your body is crying out for more vitamin D. First up, and this is a big one, is getting sick or catching infections frequently. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in keeping your immune system strong. It helps your body's defense mechanisms fight off viruses and bacteria. So if you find yourself catching every cold that goes around, it might be a sign that your immune system is getting the support it needs from vitamin D. Think of it as the gatekeeper for your health. Next, let's talk about fatigue and tiredness. This is a really common symptom, but it's often overlooked because, let's be honest, who isn't tired these days? But we're talking about a deep, persistent exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. Some studies have shown a strong link between low vitamin D levels and feelings of fatigue in patients. If you're constantly running on empty, it's worth considering if a deficiency is the culprit. Another major red flag is bone and back pain. Vitamin D is essential for absorbing calcium, which is the building block of our bones. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't get the calcium it needs from your diet, leading to weaker bones and aches, particularly in the lower back. For older adults, this can be especially serious, increasing the risk of fractures. If your bones feel achy and your back is constantly sore, don't just brush it off as getting older. Have you ever felt down for no apparent reason? While many things can affect our mood, a growing body of research suggests a link between vitamin D deficiency and depression, especially seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, which happens during the darker, colder months. Sunlight exposure helps our bodies produce vitamin D, and less sun can mean lower levels and a lower mood. While it's not a cure, ensuring you have adequate vitamin D levels can be a piece of the puzzle in supporting your mental well-being. If you are struggling with your mental health, please reach out to a healthcare professional. You are not alone and help is available. Here's one you might not expect. Slow wound healing. If you notice that cuts and scrapes are taking forever to heal after an injury or surgery, low vitamin D levels could be a factor. The vitamin plays a part in controlling inflammation and fighting infection, both of which are critical for proper healing. So, if your body's repair process seems to be in slow motion, it could be a subtle sign. And what about your hair? While hair loss is often attributed to stress, severe hair loss can sometimes be a sign of a nutrient deficiency, including vitamin D specifically. It has been linked to a condition called alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease that causes patchy hair loss. While more research is needed, it's another potential clue to look out for. Finally, muscle pain. The cause of muscle pain can be tricky to pinpoint, but some studies have found that chronic muscle pain can be a symptom of vitamin D deficiency. This is likely due to the vitamin's role in nerve cells that sense pain. If you're experiencing unexplained muscle aches that just won't quit, it might be time to check your levels. So, what can you do? The best way to know for sure is to get a simple blood test from your doctor. If you are deficient, they can recommend the best course of action. Generally, you can increase your levels through safe sun exposure, eating vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, fortified milk, and cereals, or taking a supplement. But always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen to make sure it's just right for you. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward feeling your best again. Paying attention to your body's signals can make a huge difference in your overall health and well-being. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms? Share your story. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.